Hi guys, I hope everyone is well. So this is a video for weekly analysis. So let's get into it without wasting any time. So previous week we had the buys called on YouTube live, and make sure that you join the live so that you don't miss upon the good trades, the intraday trades that we might take on the daily basis. Anyways, so अभी मैं जो देख रहा हूँ is that I'm seeing this 1 hour structure being taken out, right? And once that got taken out, we had a retest towards the upper side and then the fill of that void, and then the price dropped down. And अभी क्या expect कर सकते हैं? So abhi, what we can expect is that the price dropping down here, sorry, here, and on intraday basis, we looking out for some buys. That's what I'm expecting on gold, and let's see what happens. Or else even a buy which works from here, this side, easily towards this high might work out, and then more drops towards the lower limits. And yeah, more precisely, this level works well. So this is the area where I will be looking forward for buys. ये zone पे buys देखूंगा मैं. And along with that, that's pretty much the analysis of gold. Gold does have a lot of room to drop towards the downside on the daily time frame because of this level if it wants to continue more towards the upside. Because always remember, when the price is this bullish towards the upper side, it needs some deeper retracements for the sellers to be tagged in again and then move forward. So that's my analysis on gold. Let's get into DXY. So if you talk about DXY in my opinion seems very bearish, right? And more than likely this low is also going to be taken, and then finally we are going to touch this zone, which is 99.3536 zone, and waiting for that. Till then, the cells do make a lot of sense. The only point I will invalidate the idea of cells is when this level breaks. ये जब लेवल ब्रेक हो जाएगा तब ही मैं वो सेल वाले आइडिया इनवैलिडेट करूंगा. And then when that level breaks, I'm expecting DXY to at least reach till 103 level, and उसके बाद देख लेंगे. Talking about the index such as US 30 and everything, so all of these looking very bullish, and one more push to the downside and then a buy makes a lot of sense. The same thing on US 100, but I think it needs some time to prepare because the price action at the moment is not really reliable. Even about US 500 the same. So might as well expect some more drops and then maybe a bullish movement, or else some levels like these to be tapped and then moving towards the upper side. Let's get into Euro USD for now. So if you talk about DXY and Euro USD's correlation, so DXY seems very bearish, right? And at the same time, EU is trying to like push up. So we might also expect one bigger candle coming up and pushing towards the upper side because there are still no signs of selling. So that's what I'm expecting. And also this high being taken out can most likely happen. Once that gets taken out, then we have a lot of room towards the upside. So once that high gets taken out, we might easily push up till these 2 wicks, which you see over here on 21st and 28th Feb. So that will be the target which might get tapped. Talking about GBP USD. So GBP USD, if you take a look at it, there is still more room towards the upside, and buys do make a lot of sense based on the intraday time frames as well. So for this week, we can expect GU to move more like 80 pips towards the upper side. So till that level, we are still bullish. I'm not looking for sells anymore because the structure on the 1 hour time frame is very bullish. And also talking about UJ. So UJ was awesome. There was a trade over here, and yeah, it went well. But what's next is if you take a closer look at the daily time frame, you'll see that the price is uh, back into the range, and it feels like this week might be a very sort of range type price action, mostly on the JPY pairs, because in the last week I guess there were elections and JPY pairs have dropped significantly towards the downside, like crazy 400 pips towards the downside. So I wouldn't be surprised if even this sell plays out well, like a sell like this, and then yeah, something like this plays out well. So yeah, that is the analysis on JPY pairs too, and it also covers the EJ. It will most likely be the same because all the JPY pairs are pretty dominant in the nature right now. Talking about AU, if you talk about AU, it is also looking very bullish, and the nature of AUD USD and NZD USD is pretty much the same. So anything you expect on AU will be replicated on NZD USD as well. So yeah, maybe one more push down and then move towards the upper side can be expected. So talking about USD CHF, talking about USD CHF, I guess we might find some more rally towards the upside and then a drop incoming soon. So that's what I expect on UCHF too. But for that, all of these lows should be taken out. But yeah, this is like a massive range, and after this massive range happens, there is most likely big moves that come along. So waiting for that to happen as well. So yeah, let's see. None of these setups look promising though, but we'll see. We'll observe. What's happening on USD CAD is I did give out this on my YouTube live and Instagram live when I came out. So this was a trade which played out pretty well. At the moment, if you were to expect something on USD CAD, and if you go on the daily time frame, I'll just say that we are just in a range on the daily, and expecting some sells to play out from these levels seem a bit promising. But apart from that, I'm not able to see anything clear. So yeah, that's USD CAD, and the structure on the lower time frame is also not very clear. So I'm waiting on it. Yeah, nothing for now, just waiting on it. Let's see what happens. And if I were to analyze some more pairs, I would like to, let's go on the 4 hour time frame. EJ, EG, nothing. Euro NCT, nothing. What's this? Okay. There was a good buy which played out in the last week, I guess. Yeah, this one. This was a really nice buy which played out. Even this was a good one. Might expect this to just push through the upper side and take out all of these highs. So ये सारे highs expect कर सकते हो that it will be taken very soon. No sells on EuroCAD, and let's see Euro CHF. Euro CHF is a very slow pair, but we'll still see what's up with it. So Euro CHF, yeah. Euro CHF, you can expect all of these highs to be taken out as well, and then finally the price reaching up and hitting this area. That is most likely possible. Yeah. Apart from that, if you talk about the pound pairs, let's take a look at GBP AUD first. GBP odd is a bit bullish. Some retracements toward the downside for us to even reach up higher might be the most probable case in this scenario. What is this? GBP CAD. Nice one. GBP CAD on the 4 hour time frame seems very bullish. Also on the 1 hour time frame, it looks very bullish. You can expect just buys on this one. Let's take a look at the weekly because we need to see the level on the left side. So, okay, we are expecting some minor rejections from this area though, because, okay, this top wick, yeah. So I guess staying out of GP CAD might be the best situation at the moment, but you still have something around 50 odd pips towards the upside because this is like a clean bullish structure, and then even this trade was well, but that was like the market open. So yeah, this might play out. This might reach towards the upper side. Yep, that's pretty much it for this week's analysis, guys. And make sure that you're hopping on the live. We are about to do live Zoom sessions to trade gold intraday and any other setups if we can. So 6:30, see you there. 6:30 IST, yeah.